Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. So we at TinkerCoders are back with an exciting and interesting competition for you all to attend. It's called PY-HACKA-THON. So I, Jay Mansata, in this video will explain you about all the details and the procedure to attend. So as you know, Python is something like a very important coding language in today's world. It's already a main driver of many emerging technologies like IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more. So we have designed this competition to create awareness about Python coding language and for you all to apply your amazing skills that you are learning or have already learned in Python. So anyone of you who has started or going through the course or even completed the course of either block Python or textual Python or AI and machine learning courses, you all can attend. So let us see the rules of this competition. So as you can see, the theme of the project of this competition is that you have to use any of the Python applications that you have learned till now, any concept that you have learned, be it graphic design or basic Python or the AI and machine learning, textual Python, block Python, anything. You have to use those concepts into a project which can be used in some real life application, or it can be used to solve some real world problem. So you can choose anything from these options, and you can take help from your trainers or your family members to choose a topic or an application. So all you need to do is you choose your project and you choose an interesting name for your topic and then make the project, and then you have to make a submission in form of a video. So you have to create a video of your own. You can ask your family members to help you shoot the video, and you have to make sure that the video is shoot in the landscape mode. You have to hold your phone in landscape mode like this, horizontal. And first of all, when you start the video, you have to introduce yourself, your name, your grade, your school's name. Then you have to tell what activity you have prepared, like what is your topic, and then you have to tell its real life application, where it can be used or how it can solve some problem, whatever you have made. And then you can show the activity, your code and the output in the laptop screen in the video. So that's how you have to make a video, and it should not be more than 5 minutes. Just keep it in 5 minutes duration. So, and make sure that you have to submit this video by 14th of October, which is the last date for submission of video project. So that is the last date for video. Then on 16th October, there is an online or virtual project exhibition. So we will have a live virtual session with all your trainers and judges and other students as well. So you have to showcase your project there also, right? Now, how will you be judged for this competition? As you can see, the winner selection criteria. It's not just about the project. You can there are 3 areas where you can score your points. So first is 10 points for the idea and technology. That is your project, like what coding you have done and what is your topic. Then you have 5 points on how you are presenting your topic, like how you are making the video presentation. Then there's 5 points for YouTube like and comments. So what is that? Now, as soon as you submit your project to us, and after the deadline, we will upload your project video to our YouTube channel. So we will share the link of that video to you also, and you can share it with maximum people that you can, your family and your friends. So they will also be like an audience to vote for your project. So the more and more likes and comments you will get on your videos, that will also get you some points. So there are 5 points for that. So these 3 areas you can score points in to become the winner. So now what are the takeaways of this competition? So all the participants, regardless of your winning or not, you will get a certificate of STEM Robo and TinkerCoders that you have participated in this amazing competition. And we will select 3 winners to receive some special certificates and even amazing prizes. So that is how you will make the video and you will present. Now, how you will submit the video uh, on or before 14th October. So I will show you in the message that you have received in WhatsApp group. You might have received a link to Google Form. So you have to submit the video there. Let me show you. So when you open that link of Google Form, it will open like this. So you have to enter all your details, email address, name, grade, everything. Then you have to write project name, description, and you have to upload the video file here in this add file option. So when you click add file, you will see different options using the Google Drive. You can upload it. This is the most common option, browse, and you can upload your file here. If you are using a laptop or a phone, you will get this option and you can upload it here. So the video, it should be a video file. That's the main thing. And then you click on submit. So this is the competition which I'm sure you will be really excited and you will enjoy participating in. So if you have any more questions or queries, you can contact our trainers or academic counselors anytime. So I wish you all the best for this competition and I hope you enjoy participating in it. Goodbye.